Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this Ford Focus key fob. Here's what you need. One of the 2032 batteries, you can get these off Amazon. They're just a few dollars, and there's a link below in the description. You're also going to need a flat blade screwdriver around this size. So what you want to do first is remove this back piece. You do that by squeezing this half and this half together, and you can see it pop up there a little bit. Take your fingernail, just pull that back hatch off. Take that and just remove the emergency key. Now, there's a little hole right here that's been opened up. You want to take your screwdriver, stick it in there, kind of as deep as possible, and use that to pry the two halves apart. Now you have the two halves apart. Take your screwdriver, just pop it right here. Take out the old battery. New battery goes in, positive side facing down. Squeeze these two together. Slide the emergency key back in, and then squeeze this back portion back on. And you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.